So now let's see how we can work around with the 4-color gradient option inside of HitFilm. So over here, I'm going to go around under the editor right here, and here you can see that I have a clip. So I'm going to go around under effects, and under gradients and fill right here, you can see that 4-color gradient is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on my clip right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So as soon as I bring this in, you can see these 4 points right here. You can click and drag these out to change around the color, as you can see, just like this right here. So you can go around and click and drag it, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around under point 1 right here, you can see that I can go around and change around the color right here, or I can go around and choose the color as well as I like right here, just like this. And I can also go around and change around the position right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here, type in 200 right here, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. Then if I were to go around onto point 2, I can go around and change around the color right here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. So now over here, if I were to go around over here under that, you can see the color blend right here. So you can go around and change around the color blend effect right here, so you can really blend it out together or keep it separate. And you can also see the ramp scatter right here, so you can go around and change these out according to how you want. Then you got the opacity over here as well, and then you got the blend option, so you can make it normal right here, or you can add it in. So this is the effect that you have right here. You can see the footers underneath, or you can use color blend right here, and so forth. And these are the different effects, as you can see right here. There's like color dots right here, there's like darken right there, there's like difference right here, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z. There's difference over here, and so forth, as you can see. There's hard light over there, there's overlay, and so forth. And you can go around and choose the one you like. So that is how you can work around with the 4-color gradient inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.